I have to say I'm pretty proud of my dad, pretty proud of my mom. I remember when they first told me that when they got married, they started with nothing. And I kind of lived in a bubble and I didn't know what was happening in life. My dad worked at a service station and my mom, she just looked after us. And at the time it was only me and my brother. And I remember my dad would come home after work and we would run up to him and we would go give him a hug. We would fight over who gets to hug dad first or who gets to hug mom first. And I noticed as I grew up that they actually had a really tough life, but they showed us the best. They showed us what it meant to live in a in a rich life, you know. Even though we had nothing, but my mom and dad made sure that we had everything. From me being proud of them, they've gained this love, this different love for me, for who I am as a person. And so with their strength, I know that I'll be able to, overcome anything.